DIY projects are not about perfection. They're about the journey. An incredibly painful journey, and wishing you had just hired somebody else to do it for you. I'm almost at completion. There's a few more niggles and snags, but it's usable. It was 9 months ago that I started this project. At that point, life got in the way. The rowing started stealing my weekends.
It's an incredible result, and the Swiss are trying to come back, but Twickenham Rowing Club
and my actual money-making projects. DIY projects have the ability to grow arms and legs. You see, at the planning stage of a project like this, anything is possible. I had serious stroke growth. What was meant to be just the ensuite turned into the entire loft. You start in one area, a bit of demolition, and then things get uncovered. The idea was just to remove some tiles, replace it with micro cement, new finishes. The problem was, once I took the tiles off, I realised the plasterboards were damp and mouldy. They had to be completely replaced. At that point I thought, why don't I just add a niche? Let's open it up and take a look. Great. Success. Nothing succeeds like a toothless pudgy. I've been thinking a lot about efficiency and output, and at what point do I say it's finished? Particularly in the 80-20 principle. At what point can I say I'm getting diminishing returns now on my finish? What do I accept? What can I sleep with? There's something I can't live with. The problem I have here is because I've increased the levels at my door threshold. When I put the threshold in, the door doesn't close anymore, which means I need to shave the bottom of the door, which means creating dust, which means rehanging the door. And I just really don't want to do it. I tore everything out. I replumbed, rewired, I had help, installed an underfloor heating mat, micro-cemented the walls, installed the vanity, too high. I don't need to have achieved perfection, but I certainly need to have strived. There's one job that I've been afraid of, that I can't call this project complete until I've finished.